Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today is New Year's Eve and I'm getting breakfast ready because I'm starving. We're actually gonna get together at my mom's, so yeah, you guys are gonna probably join me during the day. I want to be more productive this future 2024. I want to start recording more vlogs, so yeah, what better way than to start the year by vlogging. So quiero ir al Sam's Club a ver si tienen unas ollas que había visto como en Black Friday. La verdad se me fue la onda. Yo no sé por qué no las compré o no las agarré y estaban en especial. So quiero ver si tienen eso y también quiero agarrar un postre para llevar acá con mi familia. So nosotros vamos a llevar tamales con mi mamá parece que va a hacer pozole. Mi tío va a venir de Los Ángeles, so we'll see if I record. I'm still kind of shy to record in front of family sometimes. But anyways, déjenles enseño. Compré una olla nueva ayer de tamales. Ya soy toda una señora. Ven, es de 32 quarts. La verdad no sé qué significa eso, pero les quiero enseñar los tamales. Hay que voltear los chilaquiles un poquito. Estoy haciendo las tortillas. A mí me gusta everything fresh, to be honest. Okay, so that should be almost ready. Y ahí están los tamales. So hice como 2 trays de raja de chile con queso y también de puerco en salsa roja o en, I don't know how do you say, saute in red sauce. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. We're gonna finish up breakfast and then hopefully run to the store really quick. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
One eternity later.
Yeah, pues. Okay, so lo que voy a hacer, voy a poner los tamales en la olla que compré ayer en la ollata. Como pueden ver, es súper grande. Voy a poner los de carne. Espero que me quepan todos en la ollita. Siento que la olla está muy chiquita, pero los voy a poner paraditos así, right, babe? Y give us a thumbs up. Javier is recording me. He's my cameraman for today. He's going to be following me everywhere and all my adventures. And here comes Javi. So todos para arriba. So dejen nomás termino esto y ya les enseño cómo va quedando. Okay, so nos cabieron 77 tamales aquí. A ver qué tal nos salen. Stand up straight. You look so handsome. My little cowboy. So I already changed. I ended up crimping my hair and adding this little bow. I think it matches well with my sweater. This is actually a new sweater that I just got like literally right now at Sam's Club or earlier. And then also I got the cape. Pero me encanta porque es color como ivory. No es blanco completo como la blusa que traigo abajo. Pero le macha perfecto con este moño. Estos moños los encargué en Shein. Ya tiene tiempo. Sí, de moño. I just feel que le da un toque así muy femenino. Pero los tamales ya tienen como 2 horas. 2 horas y media. Casi para 3. Ya yo creo que van a estar, me imagino. Los chequeé ahorita y el queso todo le faltaba, pero sí sabía rico. So, ya casi estoy lista. Decidí de trapear la cocina porque se hace un despapalle. Alright, so we're heading out. But I just want to show you guys my lipstick, que ya me puse lipstick. Y también, oh, this is a better view. Okay, actually, pause, time out. Se me olvidó decirles que compré un lens nuevo para mi cámara esta de vlog. So espero que se mire mejor ancha. So les quiero, la verdad sí me gusta que se mire así como más fuera, no sé cómo explicarlo, pero les quiero enseñar mis zapatos que voy a usar, que son mis Doc Martens, porque vamos a estar afuera, and I think it looks cute, but yeah, I'll see you guys over there. My hubby taking the cake. Hubby, turn it on. Alright guys, so I already ate. I'm just gonna come and check on my kids. Hi baby. Anyways, I just ate some wasanas. They were really good. I don't know if you can see my teeth, but anyways, I'm gonna try and record low-key just because there's a lot of food and stuff, but the tamales are ready. Hopefully everybody liked them. I did like them, but yeah, let's go outside. What? Can you notice the lens is further? Like whiter? Anyways, how's the pozole, Juliana?
Delicious.
Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Please. Juju. Grandma's gonna see this video. Yeah, like, thank you. She's on her third plate, guys. Her third plate. So yeah, obviously she did like it. Anyways, let's go see if Lee's like my tamales, because I didn't record nobody else's reaction. So let's go. But my dad is gonna copyright me, so I think I'm gonna mute this part. Give me your reaction.
Oh, well, hold up. Hold up.
I'm gonna get her reaction.
Can you get...
Thank you.
Thanks.
Let's get her reaction. Hurry up.
Espérate. Which one do you want? Este. ¿Sí saben como los de la iglesia?
¿Ya ves? Ya, hasta
¿No los hizo Javier?
No, yo.
Who made him,
Give
Javier?
him the eye look. You better say no.
That's good.
No, le llamé a mi mamá para el chile porque digo, yo no sé qué le va. Yo le iba a echar
Estaba haciendo Javier, tú nomás
pimienta.
estaba haciendo
It's good.
¿Ya? No, esta vez usé la mixer para hacer pasteles, para moler la masa. ¿Cómo se llama?
La carne.
Para no usar las manos, because I don't know, I'm thinking. ¿Sabes? I was like,
No tengas tú así con los pies.
I don't know, I was like, no. Y le digo, acá rato, ¿verdad? Digo, so we're getting home. It's 11:59, and I don't know how many seconds.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Take off your seatbelt, Juju. Give me the length. Javi, take off your seatbelt. Ready? There. It's midnight. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's.
Yes, we're gonna throw our lentils right now, literally. Okay. Yeah.
All right, there.
Go. Hurry up. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's. Give me the lentils. Hurry up. Here. Come here. Hurry up. Come on. Ready? Come here. One. All right, so we just literally made it. You'll bring the tamale? We literally just made it. Let's bring Chase in because we left him outside. Let's go. Go. So we can get Chase. Go get Chase. Open the door. Go to it. He's gonna be scared. Bro, get your dog. Happy New Year's. We literally made it, guys. You thought we were gonna make it or not?
I thought we were gonna...
Happy New Year's. Happy 2024. Hi, Cheesy boy. Happy New Year's, Chase. Happy New Year's. Open the gate. He's scared because of the fires. Come on, boy. Good job, boy. Cheesy boy. He was so scared, I think. I think Chase was like so scared. Anyways, we did the lentil ritual, supposedly. que trae mucha abundancia y mucho dinero. Yeah, we did. Did you get the pozole? I feel it dropped.
No.
Okay, so I'm about to go shower because I work tomorrow, guys. Juliana wants to know when we're gonna get the money.
When are we gonna get it?
Soon.
Oh shoot, sorry. Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year, baby. Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year.
Come here, Javi. Happy New Year's. I'm gonna shower because my hair stinks like smoke. Stop. Happy New Year's, Chase. Alright guys, I have to go get ready and take a shower because I have to work tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see you till next time.